Just observe for 1 minute. This is 100% real time. I told today is the most important class. I told no. This is the most important ka baap. Mostest importantest. Okay. Just observe. Understanding something?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. The test, these don't think that they are one test case. This is 100 test case. So login 100. These are belonging to smoke. Smoke will never be 100, but just example. This is also 100 login regression high like that. So these are basically 1000 test cases. Practically think like that. How many are then regression test cases? Anybody? How many number? 600.
6.
Hey, 600. Again, I'm telling you are taking advantage of my maths. 6 into 100 is how much?
600.
हाँ ये इतना advantage मत लो यार. 100 into 6, right? 600. Yeah. Now this is belonging to add to cart, but it does not belong to any suite, and it is of medium priority. There can be project requirements. See, you will be writing manual test case or automation test case only once. But in manual, you have to pull them in login. You have to pull them in regression suite. You have to pull them in smoke suite. In automation, it's not required. You know, when you are automating, that this belongs to login from the module standpoint. Just like census guy is writing, right? You have to write it like that. This is also, this will be my smoke, right? It's already smoke from manual test case, so you're putting smoke. And it does not belong to regression, so leave it. And high priority. Each and every test case, you have to tell which group it is belonging. It can be done, right, while automating, yes or no? When you're automating, you can put that, right? This test to these categories. So with your permission, so what I will do, I will first write the first test case and then we'll see. Okay. First test case I'll write. Then I'll do as usual. बचपन में जो करता था वही copy paste. Grouping. Okay. Now first test case. @ test. Here I'll write it will belong to which groups. Okay, later on. So public void, because I don't know from where I'm going to access, and every test case is a method and it will not return anything. So test case 1, whatever. Okay, something. So if a particular test case is executing, why not have the proof also? What is the name of the test? Suppose 1000 test cases are there. So 200 login, right? I should know that it belongs to login, right? If I'm executing smoke, I should know that it should belong to smoke. So in the print statement, I'll give the names. Okay, names of the groups. So SYSO control space. First one is belonging to login, smoke and high. So it is first test case. If it prints, if it executes, I will know it's first test case. It is belonging to login. Okay, login and smoke and high. Okay, high. You might be thinking कि क्या spelling लिखा है? Deliberately I have done that. Okay, because the same thing I'll be writing somewhere else. Okay, so somewhere else means I'll write it here. Okay, I'll write it here. I will tell this particular here the spelling is of utmost importance. Okay, you have to make the spelling here consistent. If the spelling here from one test case to another test case is not matching, then you will have some problem. So what I'm trying to do here, okay, it belongs to login. Spelling should be consistent. Everywhere the login spelling should be, then only all this Java is a highly case sensitive language, so if you give some other spelling, it will not come. But this is below one is for our understanding कि ये login का है करके, that's all. Now it also belongs to smoke. Okay. Then it also belongs to high priority. Till now, everybody is clear with this, whatever I'm doing.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you want to get bored for another 10 minutes, then I will do this, all this like this, each and every one.
Yes, sir, I can do it.
No, but I will not do it. I have to type. तुम्हारा क्या है यार एकदम बैठ के देखेगा. I have to type, right? So I will do copy paste with your permission only. Okay, fine. I can do this copy paste, right? With your permission, yes, no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, of course.
Oh, बापरे.
Because of course we are understanding that what you are copying from the table to here. If you are having already predefined, then you do it.
Correct. That also I'll never do actually. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is the reason why I like to do slowly. But this is little redundant stuff. Okay, so now
But sir, like for test TC1, then space login, you are not giving any bifurcation like in the sense in between.
where? Here, huh?
Huh? It's okay, huh?
It's only a message. It's only a message.
Okay.
If this executes, this will come. Here you can give Shah Rukh Khan, Akshay Kumar, or
Whatever.
Sri Devi, whatever you can give. Okay.
No, in some places you given, some places you have not. No, that's.
Where?
Uh,
No, that is what. Here it is important. When you are
huh,
giving groups, it is important.
huh. But
This,
here, this is a
this,
just a
this,
test
no,
case. Okay.
listen. This annotation is tied to this test case.
Yeah.
I will give some gap. This annotation is tied to this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
So
annotation and this when we are giving the test suit name and the smoke high and everything, how that is going to match? Should we anywhere again in
that
the
exactly. That's a very valid question. Okay. So what we will do, we will create one XML. Okay. XML file we'll create. So right click. Okay. TestNG, convert to TestNG. Okay. I'll show 3 times. Right click, TestNG, convert to TestNG. 2 times, one more time. Right click, TestNG, convert to TestNG. Here I will tell some name I can give. Grouping Rajka date, July 4. Okay, July 4. If you press finish, right, here below you will get the XML like this. Like this. You need to do some tweaking also. This is where you got it. Double click it and change it. Double click and change it. How to change, I'll tell you. So this guy is creating disturbance, so we'll remove it. Okay, fine. Under the, see, there is a hierarchy, right? Just like continents, countries, states, cities, hierarchy. Like that, suit is there, test is there. Okay, suit will have a lot of tests. This test has got nothing to do with @test. Okay, I'm very unhappy with these guys. They have given the name test. It creates some confusion. Every test case is a method. @test. That is a method. Okay, group of tests or test cases is called classes. Group of classes is called test. That test is different. The first individual test case is different. They could have easily given a different name. Group of tests is called suit. That's all you think. Okay. So below the tests, right, which is nothing but group of classes. Okay. And group of classes, group of methods is individual tests. Okay. Now, which we'll see again. Okay. In annotations, tomorrow evening, 8 o'clock class is there. Please don't miss it. This is the most important class. Okay. I will not touch Selenium at all. Bare minimum 1 line, 2 line code I will touch. Okay. Now, I will create one annotation called as groups. Every annotation will have a closing annotation. Every tag will have a closing thing. If I close this right, automatically it will give slash groups like this. Like this. Under that, I will give something called as a run. Under that, I will give something called as run. If I do like this, if I press enter, it will give slash run like this. Here you have to give what you want to execute right now. Include. You can also exclude also. Include you give like this. And here, can anybody tell me? Okay, here. I want to execute login. Or I want to execute search. This is exact like this. Search means these 100 and these 100 will execute, right? Yes or no?
No.
Yeah. So search. So my search spelling should come from here, not from here. This is just an execution of the print statement. If search I'm giving, searching word should come. That's the only thing. If I'm giving smoke, smoking, smoke words, not smoking, okay? Smoke word should come, okay? Like that. So I will copy this, not from here. This is only an execution. This is group. I will copy. I'll go here and I'll tell name is equal to double quotes like this. I'll give and I'll close immediately. Slash include will also come like this. Okay. Save it. Done. Now, if you see today's other program, when I was executing this, it was telling TestNG test. Okay. When I am executing this program, it is telling Java application because public static void main Java application. Today I started, so it was giving TestNG. Idhar gaya bhai? TestNG test. Okay. Now I am executing from a suite, XML suite I am executing. So right click, run as TestNG suite it is showing. Okay. So now all the search will only get executed. Let me write my expected result. My expected result is TC3 and TC4. I will verify from here. Okay. Either here, this groups. No, this one. Search is there? No. Search is there? No. Search is there. So TC3 is having search. TC4 is also having search. Remaining no search. Okay. Only 3 and 4 should get executed. So my expected result is, okay. TC3 and TC4. These 200 test cases should get executed. And the word search should be available there. Okay, that's the important thing. So I'll run here, right click, run as TestNG suite. Only 2 were run and 2 passed, and you are having search word there. They are also part of smoke. I don't care. Okay, but search is there or not. And 3 and 4 are executing or not, and 3 and 4, right? Clear everybody till now?
Yes,
Can,
sir.
can you just show once again that how search only
XML.
that one.
Okay.
Here we have a groups and the test cases what to print and all.
Yeah.
But how that XML is
that search, no, that search which you have given in XML, right? Exact spelling, capital S, and this one is it is going to look into this is having capital search. No. Okay. This is having
no, that is clear, but how did you create that XML?
Okay. So again, action replay. Okay, from camera from different angle. Okay. Now grouping, right
It was
click,
our JavaScript, huh?
go for TestNG, convert to TestNG. Clear?
Okay.
That's all only. You
It
click
is
like,
okay.
click like that. That's why I showed 3 times, right?
Huh, but
Yeah,
okay.
again I'll show any number of question, any number of times at any point in time. Dialogue acha. Yeah. Then you
So you
see,
changed the name of the file. That's it, no?
yeah, here I changed it. Here. First you can change it and then you can change. Suppose ABC I'm doing this time. Okay, abc.xml. Okay. Click
Okay.
here, it will go abc.xml, right? Now here you change it like this. Okay.
That this what the thread count 5 and those things.
That we will see in parallel
Okay.
execution.
Okay.
Okay. So everything will cover, don't worry. Okay. Now my question, can I ask?
Yeah.
I want to execute only regression because some changes have been made. New requirements were added, existing requirements were modified, and obsolete and old requirements were deleted, and some defect fixed. Now, I want to give a demo to the client. Me means as a project manager. So I want to do a code freeze on second Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, first half, I will do a regression and I will execute. This is how manual tester will think, manual testing. Here, you have to give only one word. One word. Can anybody tell me where I have to give the one word and which spelling I have to give? From where I have to pick the regression spelling?
The group.
Grouping, groups, right?
Yeah.
Groups I have to pick it.
Yeah.
Perfect. Where I have to give the spelling?
XML include.
It's a
Fantastic. Fantastic. Now all the 600 regression test case will execute. All the 600. Okay. So go here and run as all the 600. Before that, I will check my expected result. So it is, can anybody help me? What are the things I need to write?
TC2.
TC2, wait a minute, copy paste kar leta hu. Okay. TC2,
4, 5.
TC2 then?
4,
TC 4 and 5.
TC4 then?
5,
TC 5.
5,
7, 8.
7,
7,
8, and 10.
8 and 10. Okay. So it is a string type thing, right? String. So what TestNG does is that it will just print 10 first, okay? Because 1 comes before 2, it thinks. That's a defect. Okay, that's a defect in TestNG. Okay. So it will print like this. Okay. And regression word should be there, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Because it can belong to other also, because right now we are focusing on regression. So it will be little more. So I'll keep it like this. So right click, run as like this. Everyone is having regression, right? First it was done this. I mean, it has printed this one. Okay. Clear, everybody? Everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can I ask another question?
Sir, TC2 is just the print statement, right? The spelling is different. That is not from the group, right?
नहीं, वो मैंने क्यों दिया है कि कुछ भी दे सकते हैं, वो हम लोग को पहचान चाहिए. So it's only for our understanding. Okay.
Okay.
That's the reason why people should not pick the. I want to make it very clear. So deliberately I made spelling mistakes somewhere here and there, and different things I'm giving here. Because here it is important which group it belongs. This spelling is important. This is only for print statement. If you are looking for search, all search, right? So search word should be there in the output. That's the only thing. Doesn't matter what the spelling, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this I'm making it little delta, some extra, so that we avoid mistakes in real time. That's the only reason. Okay. So now, can I ask you one thing now? Everybody, can I ask you one question?
Yes.
suppose I want to execute out of 1,960 test case, I want to execute 960. But it sometimes becomes difficult to pick. Sometimes 960 के जगह 980 execute हो जाएगा. It will execute more. I want exactly 960 to be executed. So if I have to execute 1 to 8 test cases I want to execute. Sorry, 1 to 8. Which all I need to include? Can anybody tell me?
1 to 8 we can include, or instead 9, 10 we can exclude.
Fantastic. Okay. It is not possible to include because 8, right? So if here it was payment, then I would have told login, search, add to cart and payment ko execute kar do, include kar do. 4 lines include statement you put, it will execute all of them. Okay, but here payment is not there. Okay, this also will get executed. Sorry, 8 should be executed, but 8 is not there. And if I give regression, then 10 also will get executed, right? So when you can't include by adding a lot of includes, just exclude download. Even I can't do download low, then this also will get excluded. So exclude download. Okay, exclude download. So what we will do here, I'll go here and I will remove this and I'll tell exclude name is equal to download. And never type it. भगवान ने copy paste दिए, copy paste कर लो. This download, okay? So I'm just following the process. Okay, so exclude. Okay, now what is my expected result? 1 to 8 should execute because you're excluding 9 and 10. Okay, by excluding download. So if I go to the suite and right click, run as TestNG suite. So 1 to 8 will get executed like this. And none of them should not have download. Perfect. Okay. So tomorrow 8 p.m. very important class. Okay. We will do TestNG ka few more features. Okay. This is real practical stuff. Real practical. You can't be more practical. And this is almost like 30-40% of framework what we have done. So please revise it. If your concepts are clear here, framework will be Makhan. Makhan means?
Butter.
Easy. Okay, Makhan is also butter, but ekdam Makhan hai bolta hai na, what is that? It's easy, right?
Smooth, yeah.
Yeah, smooth, yeah. Fine, then we'll connect again evening, okay? Yeah, thank you. Tomorrow evening, yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.